So we have got day 8 of the rockets, which was super speedy, and it's really filling out. I'm going to give this one a quick little water around the edge, making sure it's evenly covered, and just put them back in the light. Again, you can harvest them like this, and eat them, or you could start snipping them, and they will keep regrowing. And obviously with our kits, they're designed to grow continuous, so you'll have the next batch coming along. Well, these ones have been harvested, so you won't be out of greens. They're looking healthy, looking as they should. There's some root fur down there. Because I'm filming during the sort of cooler months, they're a little bit on the slower side, but 8 days isn't bad. And I'm just going to keep them growing until I harvest them in some more videos.